le chicken pan kwana chop le ring ni e chok ku pet wanda more team e janta an le kanwar wow riar shamani rinya choketiu micha dulnen romje micha gurunen donje micha chignen donje tede riet ko tede kwaje pen kwaje men e dulit jang tok kabi kulara ni the synonym traitors backstabbers Judas double crosses renegade Queensland fish columnist double agent collaborator informer more stupid and turncoat defector apostate deserter fraternizer colluder false friend don't snitch it's your family boy you know mad china chop gadup to go no chirenga mad china nya gadup to go katangani dakoro kuletan den oh no kagwachari dakoro kuleleki den we know na kwanyoni karaho gwarini kana Chamo Juliet Chamane Quema, Jenny Baby that you live near Masha. You quite a kid, quite a young quagga. With a mic money, we rock one, a Jenny take a gun. Dagarel come on near me, check a buy many yake. When you deal a pink at tarif, Chera Yaji Bakar Caparway. We lunjok kanwar, Maba Kanchinwer, my Benny wide pink, Benny more limping, took a gualunger. You know mad, china chop gadup to go no chirenga mad, china nya gadup to go katangani dakoro kuletan den oh no kagwachari dakoro kuleleki den oh we know na kwanyoni karaho gwarini kana we know na kwanyoni Judgment Day, right about now. The corrupt will bake and many will face the flame. Right now we're guarding base from the gate. We is strong, this unity has no place. For then, we embrace our hidden grace, taking sweetness from the demon test. Not opening up to fear and greed. We late, there is darkness for evil to feed. Taking the power from the demon creeds. Evil deeds done by them who like to see other communities bleed. I have known your oaths and I must cut them loose. Protection from fear must never feel hypes. We must know the ground, give ways of Satan's stripes. Young blood fighting H.O. Water of goods and heal. General Peter Gadid seem to hold them truth. Yeah, I love South Sudan and I wanna see the future where we love and embrace ourselves in harmony, with love, with joy. Kids can play football, they can go to school, anybody can go to hospital.